everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the voice typing on your Samsung keyboard. So if we just open this up, you can see there's no voice option on it. That's really weird. We can just go to settings right here if we have the option, and then scroll on down to where it says voice, and we can just simply turn this on. So we can choose the Samsung keyboard, then we need to go to use side button for voice input, and once we have that turned on, we can just go back to our keyboard, hold down this power button, and it will open up the voice. So we can do this while using this app. I agree, and hold it down, and the voice option should show up now. And you can see it's already typing right there. Now you can see the voice is down here too. You can start typing. So two different ways you can do it, here or there. So it's just kind of hidden. I don't know why it's in the bottom left. So we can also go to settings, scroll on down to general management. Then we can go to Samsung keyboard. There should be an option for voice in here too. Just turn it on. Usually I just use Google, and then we got the side button on here too. So we can go back to this, and it should be the same thing. Hello, how's it going? And it works. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.